And the Emmy goes to
RuPaul's Drag Race, I'm That Bitch.
Hi everyone, on behalf of my team, I'd like to thank the Academy, VH1, and World of Wonder, our incredible producers, Stephen Korff, Mish Mills, and Lisa Steele. We want to take this opportunity to remember our co-EP, Jacqueline Wilson, who passed away last fall. It really meant a lot to us to make sure that this last season would have been something she would have been proud of. And even though 2020 has certainly been throwing us speed bumps, it's an honor to have worked with this incredible team to bring these stories to the world. So thank you.